Friends, hello everyone. Today we have a trader on the system, and today we will look at one of the most popular indicators on the pocket option broker, the RSI indicator. Today we'll see what its success rate is. I'll teach you how to trade with it, and we'll see if you can make money with this indicator if you're a beginner. Enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch the video to the end, because I'll explain how this indicator works and if you need it at all. Friends, this indicator is a very popular indicator. I've traded with it for a long time, and I'll say, in my opinion, the indicator is quite good. But today is already like the 26th year, and today we'll check if it's still relevant and if you can make money with it or not. Where is the indicator itself? Look, you go to indicators and you scroll all the way down to RSI. You click it. Here's how to set it up. Look, you go in, you set it to 9 here. Be sure to. So 9 here, then go into style and uncheck the middle box here. And you press save. Okay, we've set up the indicators and are starting to trade with it. Everything is traded on the 1 minute time frame, so the expiration time is also 1 minute. Now we'll remove one indicator and start analyzing the market. Okay friends, we've set up the indicator, now let's move on to trading. Everything is traded on the 1 minute time frame and the expiration time is also 1 minute. My balance is $23,855. I'm refreshing the page so you understand that this is real money and we are starting to trade. I'll be entering trades for $300. I've also made this little table where we'll be marking our pluses and minuses and start trading. Okay, friends, look, I found a situation on Euro USD GBP. We're taking a 1 minute call. I'm putting in $300 and we'll wait for the close. Why did I enter here? Let me explain. The RSI indicator shows us where the market bounces from the upper level to the lower one, or from the lower to the upper. We make money on this movement. This is a short-term indicator, so it's traded on the 1 minute chart, as I've already said, and let's see how it works out. Look, the market immediately shot upwards. There's a 2-point move. It's a small move, but we're waiting. We just got in 33 seconds to the end. No, a 10-point move! So we see the market is already moving near the level. Now we'll see what happens. Will we start with a win or a loss? What do you think, friends? Until the 24th second, a 1-point move. See the sideways correction. The market's sitting right at the level. We're waiting for the close. Yeah, you see, the candle is going up and down near the level. Waiting for the close. If the trade closes with a profit, I'll make a net profit, friends, of $289. If it's a loss, then it's a loss of $300. But no worries, we'll be trading without tables, without covering losses, without anything, and we immediately take a win of 24 points. Not a bad start. We go to the table, mark that we have a win here. That's a must, just so you understand what the success rate is. Okay, let's put a plus and let's move on. Next, let's see where we can enter. That is, the indicator, the RSI indicator, shows where the market is bouncing from the upper level to the lower level, or from the lower level to the upper level. Now I'll enter another trade and show you how to enter correctly so you know. I also advise you to first trade on a demo balance, and then on a real balance, so you understand how it works, what entry point to take, and then you can try trading on a real balance. Subscribe and like this video, friends, and if we get 50 likes on this video, I'll release a new part about testing new indicators. You can also write in the comments which indicator to check next. Okay, let's see where we can enter. I don't see any situation yet. The most important thing is not to rush, because this is a short-term indicator, and if you rush, you'll make a mistake, friends, and there will be no success. Look, Euro GBP, we're taking a minute for an increase and waiting for it to close. Why did I enter? Because the market hit the lower level. We can see that, and it's already gone up. It's obvious. Of course, it didn't hit it directly, it went a little earlier, but still, I think the situation's good. We're going to get a good plus now. That is, you just go through the currency pairs and look where the market is. Look, it bounced off the lower level and went up. You entered, you earned for a minute. It bounced off the upper level, went down, you entered for a minute, also got 1 plus. Now we've also entered for an increase. We see it bounced and went up. At the end of 29 seconds, there's a 24-point follow-through. We're waiting for the close, we're getting a great plus, and I'll take a net profit of $276. Fantastic. Waiting for the close. 17 seconds to go. 20-point follow-through. Yes, so you see it's moving near the level. The market is calm. I'm recording the video at 7 p.m. And with 7 seconds to go, look, there's a 30-point follow-through. Great, great. I think this is very cool, friends. Look, 3 seconds to go, and the second plus in a row with this indicator. I don't use tables, covering, martingales. I know some. No, I just look at the indicator and earn. I think that's very cool. We're moving to the table, marking that we also have a plus, and we're moving on to the third trade, friends. Also, I have more signals and more training in my Telegram channel. Subscribe. The link's in the description, my profile under the video, and in the comments. I share my trades, deposits, strategies, indicators, and my whole trading journey. I also have my own team with 77 people trading. Entry is absolutely free. Every person joined for free. Not $1, not a hryvnia, not a ruble, not a euro, didn't pay anything. Entry is free. Why should you choose our team specifically? Well, let me tell you. Even today, we traded with the team and made 3 pluses and 1 minus without covering, without martingales, without anything. And also, there's one more session coming up in exactly an hour. Anyone who's not on the team yet, write to me. I'll add you. We trade from Monday to Saturday. We trade without hedging or follow-ups. We don't trade randomly. We only trade with strategies. And you can also see the results. Look, GVP PYC took 92 points. Next, GP took 56 points. Next, AT took 189 points. Great, great. Let's see others. So AS took 58 points. AS took 183 points. So you see, our success rate is good. Our success rate, 75 to 95%. These are not just words. We show it over the long run. Anyone who wants to join the team, write to me. I'll add you and you'll trade with us. You can also check out the reviews from people who trade with us. We publish them every day. People leave them, people trade and earn with us. You're no worse. Write to me right now. I want to join the team. I'll add you. You'll trade with us. Okay, we're going to the market, opening the minute time frame, and start looking for where to enter and where to make money. The most important thing is not to rush, as I've already said. So AUD, oh look, you can go long on AUD CHF, but you see the market hasn't hit the resistance yet. You see, it's still going. There's a trend here probably. Yes, there's a trend here. It's better not to enter. I didn't see the trend. So look, AUD, we see the market hit the upper level and let's take a minute to go short, and I'll take $300. Why did I enter? Let me explain it to you again. Because the market hit the upper level. See? So you're not really looking at this market, you're only looking at the indicator. See, the market hit resistance. That's it. You took a minute to go short, 44 seconds left. The profit is already 90 points. Great, great. And I repeat, I don't use any knowledge, nothing. I just look at the indicator. You can do the same. My only advice is to start on a demo account, trade, try it, figure out the best entry points, and then switch to a real account and trade. Look, with 20 seconds to go, our profit is 70 points. 50 points. The market is shaving it, but I think we'll still get a good plus. Let's see. Oh, so a minus after all. Look how it shaved it off. Only the drill worked. 7 seconds left. Yeah, look, it shaved it off. Oh well, it's okay. In any case, you saw the profit was very good. But this happens too, you see? Just wiped the market, then took off C and went down. This is called the OTC market. It just decided to knock it down. Well, that happens too. Okay, we'll mark that we have a loss and we'll move on. Let's see. So, the success rate is already good. 2 wins, 1 loss. We're in the green anyway, and that's good. Open the 1-minute chart. And I want to go short again from a higher point. 1 minute short, and wait for the close. Why did I decide to enter again? Because the market hasn't dropped lower yet. You see, it's near a level, and the RSI shows us that the market should go down. We're waiting for the close, and we'll grab a win here, too. Switching to the 5-second time frame and watching. 36 seconds to go. The move is 14, 30, 40, 50 points. Oh, 60 points. Oh, good. The market is going down. Waiting for the close. And grab a great win. 25 seconds left. The move is 24 points. You see it's starting to squeeze again. Well, if it squeezes now, it will be unpleasant, of course. But it is what it is. 15 seconds left. A 30-point move. Well, most likely it will squeeze, I think. You see it's right near the level. You can see it's an OTC market. You see? It wants to squeeze. It doesn't want to give us our money. Well, that's normal too. 3 seconds left. A 31-point move. Although no, look, it paid out. It paid out by 45 points even. Okay, Let's go to the spreadsheet and mark that we have a win. So look, 3 wins, 1 loss. This is already a good success rate, and we're in the green, even a good profit, and that's very pleasing. Now we'll see what the 5th trade shows. If it's a win too, that's awesome. The success rate will be 4 wins, 1 loss. We could enter again here, but the market is really volatile. Let's take a quick look around, and if we don't find anything more interesting, we'll enter there. But the market there is really something, you see. It breaks through by 30 to 40 points in seconds, and then stands still. It's something else for sure. Oh, maybe we can take it from a higher point. No, that's it. See, it went up. It's a market reversal, I take it. Okay, let's not touch it then. Let's look for where to enter and make money. You see, the main thing is not to rush, to get a good entry point, and not use some random knowledge. Just trade with the RSI and you'll make money. You see, the last time I traded with it was, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago? And even now, it's still relevant. It still shows a good success rate. Okay, look, Euro GP for us until the end. Okay, look, Euro GP. We have a situation here too. The market is about to hit the lower level and we can go long. Or not. Okay, look, Euro, you can go long here, but as you see, the market hasn't hit the support yet, and I don't see a reason to enter yet, so this won't be an objective entry point. It would be kind of sloppy. Well then, let's keep looking. You see, it also happens that you can spend half an hour looking for one trade, and that's normal. So look, here on USD/TRY, we also see the market has already hit its level. Well, let's give it a try, why not? In any case, it's an experiment. We're testing the indicator's success rate. Okay, Euro TRYTC. I took a 1-minute call, put in $300, and look, the market has already taken off. A 5-point move! We wait for the close, and we'll score a great plus. If this trade is also a plus, friends, that will be just great. 4 pluses, 1 minus, that would be a very good success rate. I think that deserves a like. And let's get 50 likes, and I'll release another episode about indicators. Show you another good indicator, and we'll also do a little test. 25 seconds to go. Look, there's a 20-point move. We see the market went up. This is very good. So you see, the RSI indicator is working. But don't forget the settings. Don't forget that everything is traded on the 1-minute time frame. The expiration time is also 1 minute, and you'll be fine. But I suggest you start by trading on a demo account. The entry point is also very important. If you enter sloppily, friends, there will be no success rate. 2 seconds to go. A 26-point move. We got it! We're moving to the chart, marking that we also got a plus. And look, 4 pluses, 1 minus. Awesome. I made over $1,000 from this video. I think that's very cool. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you haven't liked the video, please do. And if you haven't subscribed to Telegram, subscribe there as well. The link is in the description under the video, in the profile, and in the comments. There's a lot of useful information here for beginners and experienced traders alike. See you tomorrow.